Hi, I'm Jody Waller, the Chief Deputy Clerk of Court for the Bay County Clerk's Office. Today I'm going to talk with you about how to get a marriage license and what the requirements are. I'm here at the Bay County Courthouse where you're going to complete the marriage license process, but it doesn't start here. The Bay County Clerk's Office offers marriage license through a simplified process by starting online. Log on to our website at baycoclerk.com and choose the Marriage License tab. Once the application is completed by both parties, you must visit the clerk's office and provide valid photo identification to purchase the marriage license, which costs $86. If a premarital preparation course has been completed, the price is reduced to $61 for the license. You'll walk out with your new marriage license, but it's important to keep a few things in mind. The marriage license is good for only 60 days. If you don't get married within 60 days, you would have to apply again. Also, there's a 3-day waiting period before you can get married for all Florida residents. The Bay County Clerk of Court does not perform marriage ceremonies. However, we do offer a list of local officiants for you to choose from, if needed, to complete your vow exchange. Your certified copies will be mailed to you, the newlyweds, after official recording. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards your happily ever after. We're honored to be a part of it.